Hello guys, today I'm going to show you one of the coolest and the simplest photography tricks ever, that is how to create bokeh bubbles. So for now I'm going to use my Canon DSLR and this 50mm lens, but you can also use the kit lens that comes with it. Both should work. However, the bokeh effect would vary a little bit. The 50mm will have a better bokeh effect. So guys, I'm ready with the camera set up in a light source. So the first step is to switch your lens into manual focus mode. Okay, once you have the manual focus mode enabled, focus at the light source. Now you just have to move this focus ring, okay, and you see the more I move, the more the candle will get into focus. So I have to do reverse, because I don't have to focus this, I have to bring this candle out of the focus. So I'm going to move this ring into anti-clockwise, and it will transition into a bubble shape. This is what bokeh bubble is, and this is how bokeh effect is created. Now how I can use this photography trick to capture beautiful videos, I'm going to show you next. So here I'm going to show you how to create bokeh bubbles using Christmas lights. I'm holding the light chain in my hand and I'm focusing on the light bulb that is nearest to me. The moment I do that, all the light bulbs that are away from me transitions into bubble shape. The one that lies even farther makes even beautiful bubble, and that's how you can use this as a photography trick, either to put in your videos or maybe take a photo, and it is going to look beautiful. So here we have a distant decoration lights, so I'm going to focus it slowly. So from keeping it out of my focus, I'm going to slowly focus in and see the transition effect. Doing pretty much the same thing that we did with the church lights, from keeping it out of the focus to slowly focusing in by moving the focus ring slowly. Now this is the most beautiful one. I have a decorative optical fiber lamp in front of me that's lit up in multiple colors because it is an LED. Now the ends of this optical fiber will lit up, and I'm just using the same technique to bring it in focus and out of focus to create this beautiful bokeh bubble transition. And by moving the camera a little bit, it becomes even magical. See how beautiful it is. We can use the same technique outside as well. This is a sunrise beautifully captured with this glare of water transforming itself into bokeh bubbles using the same technique that I told you. Look how beautiful it looks. Well, if you're a nature-holic person just like me, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is natureholism. Thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video and if you want to be connected with me, please subscribe to this channel. Feel free to like this video and comment below and tell me how this helped you, or how you were able to create similar effects, or if you're just like a great bokeh fan just like me, please comment below. And I'm gonna make more cool stuff. Please stay connected with me to hear me out, and you all have a good rest of your day.